So, you know, you going back to your mama? See you. Bye. Peace out. My man. You gotta put your arm right here, don't you? Keep going. Keep going.